Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever in the world. Hope you guys everything is fine. Today I'm going to make gonna paint like a fantasy butterfly. Then I gonna mix my colors. And I think I would like to put some glitters. This is easy fantasy butterfly. Guys, let's start. I get my mix. Red, green, blue, yellow, and the other colors black. I don't need the rest. Also I had this, so I think I got all I need. So let's start. I gonna make my layout, my drawing.